Hello, I'm Charles. And today I'm going to show you how you can make your own simple noodle swing. Let's get started. Okay, you'll need some of this nylon strap material. This is Cord Lash 200. It's stuff I got free from work. They use it in international shipping. And then a pool noodle. The one I actually used is a giant pool noodle. Alright, once you've picked your limb out that's going to be strong enough for your swing and the people using it, just have your cord lash stuff looped up, makes it the easiest way, and then just throw it up and loop it over the limb. So once you feed your strap through your noodle, just simply square knot, so right over left, left over right. And this cord lash stuff, or the nylon webbing, does a good job of holding a knot, but it's also easy enough to untie the knot when you're finished with it. Or this part, oh, I forgot how uncomfortable it is.
It's very uncomfortable.
Or this part is uncomfortable.
That part is uncomfortable.
And it could represent a strangulation hazard.
Or a device to break your arm or leg if you wrap it around your arm or leg.
Oh, yeah, it could.
That don't hit the camera.
Oh,
You nearly hit the camera.
it's much more comfortable. And I should probably also mention that you need to store it like that when it's raining, so it doesn't get full of rainwater.
Then it doesn't go when you sit on it, because it's you know, it's a floaty.
As always, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you. You need to face me. All right, and then let's do just one where you're posing. Wait, get your feet up off the ground so it looks like you're swinging. But not so your foot's in your front of your face. Be looking at the camera. Maybe it would be better. Try to look at the camera every time you come around. That'll work.